Hello everyone and welcome to the session 3 of unit 6, that is process costing and accounting. So in the today's session we are discussing about job costing, objectives of job costing, characteristics of job costing and principles of job costing. So job costing techniques involves the charge of cost on the number of products manufactured, not on the process, as we have discussed earlier. In the job costing, the cost are charged on the number of products manufactured, and the orders are taken from the production will be produced on the basis of the customer order, and not in the form of bulk orders. So for the storing purpose, which is done in process costing process, where homogeneous products are manufactured continuously, and storing the components. So but in job costing, the cost in the order, the production order is taken from customer, and that much of products only manufactured, and it is not used for storing purpose. In job costing, the cost are charged on the number of products produced, not on the single product. The production is taken with respect to customer's order and not as a bulk for stocking purpose. Moreover, the cost is taken singularly but as the bulk of product. Following are the objectives of the job costing: to maintain the development of cash job by providing separate account for each and every process of the job, estimate the cost taken when transition from one process to another, helps to management in estimating the price of the certain work based on the price of the previous job, to identify profitable and non-profitable jobs, and helps to prevent profitable jobs taking place, profitless jobs taking place, to identify whether the manufacturing of this product is profitable or not, and avoiding the unprofitable product to be manufactured in the company. This is the objective of job costing: to differentiate the department from one another on the basis of cost taken and the amount of materials required. So in this job costing, the department are divided on the basis of cost incurred and the materials required, amount of material required for the department. Some department requires less cost and some department may require high cost. So depending upon that cost, we are dividing the various department in case of job costing. Provide the detailed information of what is happening in each department to the customer, and more forward with plan with respect to idea of the customer. So since here the production will be started on the basis of customer order, so each and every progress of the various department is informed to the customer, and if the customer want any changes in between, so it is possible for him to make changes in during the process only. So this is one of the objective of job costing, which is not possible in process costing. So to provide the detailed information of the what is happening in each department to the customer, and move forward with the plan with respect of idea of the customer. So move forwarding the production on the basis of customer requirement, to accommodate any kind of industrial and commercial jobs available for cost estimation. To accommodate any kind of industrial and commercial jobs available for cost estimation. Characteristics of job costing: each job can be clearly distinguishable from the other job, since um, the manufacturing, the cost are charged on the number of products produced. So each products are different from other product. Each job is given unique job number. So each job is given an unique job number, customer specific, because we are taking order on the customer side. So we are producing the production on the requirement of the customer. It is a customer specific. Job price is agreed with the customer on the basis of job estimation. Separate record is kept for each job. All costs related to jobs are collected on job cost sheet or job card. All costs are transferred to the job account. Principle of job costing: analyze and ascertain the cost of each unit of production, control and regulate the cost, determine the profitability. So these are the principle of job costing. So thank you for watching this session.